1. Buy things secondhand. In the world of frugal living, one of the most valuable lessons we can learn from the Great Depression era is the art of buying things secondhand. Back then, resourcefulness wasn't just a choice, it was a way of life. Every penny counted, and people made the most of what they had. This mindset of thriftiness still holds immense relevance today. In the modern age, the internet has made it easier than ever to find secondhand items. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace and eBay provide a treasure trove of opportunities to snag appliances, electronics, books, furniture, toys, and more at a fraction of the cost of buying new. Thrift shops and yard sales remain fantastic options for those seeking budget-friendly clothing and unique finds. By embracing this frugal approach, you not only save money, but also contribute to sustainability by reducing the demand for new products. Buying secondhand is not just a financial decision. It's a conscious choice that reflects a commitment to a more resourceful and eco-friendly lifestyle. 2. Make your own cleaning products. Another key lesson from the Great Depression era is the practice of making your own cleaning products. During those challenging times, people couldn't afford fancy, branded cleaning supplies, so they turned to simple and effective homemade solutions. Today, the concept of DIY cleaning products has resurfaced as a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative. Instead of spending your hard-earned money on pricey name-brand sprays and detergents, you can create your own cleaning arsenal using everyday household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These ingredients are not only inexpensive, but also versatile, capable of cleaning everything from sinks and countertops to toilets and shower stalls. By making your cleaning products, you not only save money, but also reduce exposure to harsh chemicals found in many commercial products. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and your health. 3. Share with your neighbors. In the age of self-sufficiency and individualism, the idea of sharing with neighbors might seem quaint. However, during the Great Depression, communities thrived on mutual support, and this frugal practice can still benefit us today. Sharing resources with neighbors can lead to substantial cost savings. For instance, if you're planning a rare dinner party and don't own a particular kitchen appliance, consider borrowing it from a neighbor instead of purchasing one. Likewise, lend your lawnmower or offer to watch your neighbor's pets while they're away. These small acts of reciprocity create a sense of community and help everyone save money in the long run. By fostering a spirit of sharing and cooperation, you not only reduce your expenses, but also strengthen the bonds within your community, creating a more resilient and interconnected neighborhood. 4. Learn how to store and preserve produce. One of the most significant lessons from the Great Depression era is the importance of minimizing food waste. Whether you buy your fruits and vegetables from the store or grow them at home, it's crucial to ensure that nothing goes to waste. Food waste isn't just environmentally detrimental, it also takes a toll on your wallet. To combat this issue, consider adopting the frugal living practice of learning how to store and preserve produce effectively. You can freeze, dry, can, or pickle various types of produce to extend their shelf life. By mastering these preservation techniques, you'll not only reduce grocery bills, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the value of food. Embracing this frugal approach can lead to less waste, more savings, and a heightened sense of environmental responsibility. 5. Learn to do it yourself around the house. The Great Depression era taught us that self-sufficiency can be a powerful tool for saving money. While not everyone possesses natural handyman skills, we can all learn to be a bit more resourceful around the house. Acquiring basic DIY skills can lead to substantial cost savings. Simple tasks like painting rooms, unclogging drains, shoveling snow, or mowing your lawn are within reach for most individuals with a bit of guidance and practice. By tackling these tasks yourself, you reduce the need to hire professionals, which can be expensive. Moreover, acquiring DIY skills empowers you to take charge of your living space and make necessary repairs or improvements without relying solely on external help. This not only saves money, but also enhances your sense of independence and self-reliance. 6. Use less electricity. 6. Use less electricity. In the quest for frugal living, one of the most effective ways to save both money and energy is by using less electricity. This practice aligns perfectly with the lessons learned from the Great Depression era, where every resource was conserved diligently. Today, the average American household consumes far more electricity than in the 1930s. To cut back on your electric bill, consider adopting habits from the past. Embrace natural sunlight during the day by keeping lights off whenever possible. Not only does this reduce your electricity consumption, but it also contributes to a greener environment by minimizing your carbon footprint. Reducing electricity usage isn't just about saving money, it's also about being environmentally responsible. By being mindful of your energy consumption and making small changes in your daily habits, you can significantly lower your utility bills while helping to protect the planet. 7. Relax by candlelight. A charming frugal living tip from the Great Depression era is the practice of relaxing by candlelight. While it may not be practical or necessary to do this every night, incorporating it into your routine a few times a week can lead to substantial electricity savings. Switching to candlelight after sunset not only reduces your electricity usage, but also creates a cozy and intimate atmosphere. It's a simple pleasure that adds a touch of nostalgia to your evenings. Reading a book or having a quiet dinner by candlelight not only saves money, but also fosters a sense of mindfulness and relaxation. By making this small change, you'll not only trim your electricity bill, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the simple joys of life that don't require excessive consumption. 8. Just a dab will do, yeah. When it comes to toiletries, cosmetics, and cleaning products, the motto, just a dab will do, yeah, holds valuable frugal wisdom. During the Great Depression, people learned to use these products sparingly, making them last longer. In the modern world, we often tend to overuse products like toothpaste, lotion, and soap, thinking that more is better. However, adopting a frugal approach means using these products more judiciously. By applying less, you not only extend the lifespan of your products, but also reduce the frequency of replacements. This frugal practice not only saves money, but also promotes minimalism and environmental responsibility. It encourages a shift away from excessive consumerism, reminding us that we can achieve the same results with less. 9. Use things up before replacing. The Great Depression era motto, use it up, wear it out, make do, or do without, remains a powerful guide for frugal living today. It emphasizes the importance of only replacing items when they are truly worn out or no longer functional. In our modern consumer-driven society, it's common to replace things prematurely, driven by the desire for the latest and greatest. However, by adopting the Depression-era mindset, you can save a substantial amount of money. Only purchase new items when your current ones are beyond repair or no longer serve their intended purpose. By living by this motto, you not only reduce your consumption, but also cultivate a greater appreciation for the items you own. It's a mindful approach that leads to significant savings over time. 10. Go to restaurants less often. During the Great Depression, dining out was a rare luxury for most people. While we enjoy more dining options today, reducing the frequency of restaurant visits is a practical frugal tip that can lead to substantial monthly savings. Consider making your own lunch and bringing it to work instead of buying lunch every day. Brewing your coffee at home rather than frequenting coffee shops can also result in significant cost savings. By treating dining out as an occasional treat rather than a daily or weekly habit, you not only save money but also gain greater control over your budget. This frugal approach encourages more mindful spending and a greater appreciation for home-cooked meals. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your financial health. 11. Entertain yourself for free. In today's world, entertainment expenses can add up quickly. However, adopting a frugal living mindset means finding low-cost or free ways to entertain yourself. This lesson is rooted in the Great Depression era, where extravagance was not an option. When boredom strikes, resist the urge to spend money on dining out, shopping, or costly outings. Instead, explore free or low-cost activities like hiking, picnicking, visiting museums on free admission days, reading, or enjoying board games with friends and family. These activities not only save money, but also foster a deeper sense of fulfillment and connection with loved ones. By seeking entertainment that doesn't drain your wallet, you can maintain a balanced budget while discovering the simple joys of life. 12. Make payments in cash. In the digital age, online payments and credit cards have become the norm. However, if you're looking to embrace a frugal lifestyle, consider making payments in cash for certain expenses. Paying with cash encourages mindfulness about your spending. When you physically see the money leaving your wallet, you're more likely to make considered purchases and avoid impulse buying. This frugal practice is especially effective for day-to-day expenses like groceries, dining out, and other discretionary spending. While online payments and credit cards offer convenience, they can also lead to unchecked spending. By incorporating cash payments into your routine, You gain better control over your finances and become more conscious of your spending habits. Incorporating these lessons from the Great Depression era into your daily life can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. While you don't have to fully replicate the past, adopting some of these frugal practices can lead to significant savings and a more mindful approach to consumption.